In the heart of Jamaica's lush, whispering bushes, two young magical beings lived in harmony with nature. Levi, a boy with eyes that shimmered like emeralds, and Joya, a girl whose laughter sounded like the gentle breeze, had always called the hidden grove their home. Cloaked in leaves woven from the very foliage of their surroundings, they moved silently, blending into the vibrant jungle. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting golden light through the canopy, Levi and Joya sensed a strange disturbance. The plants around them began to wither, and the animals grew restless. It was as if a dark force was creeping into their sacred land. Levi's eyes flickered with a strange glow. "Joya, I feel a power unlike any we've known. Something's trying to take over our grove." Joya nodded, her voice calm but determined. "We must protect our home. We are the guardians, after all." Suddenly, a shadowy figure emerged. A rogue machine, a remnant of a forgotten experiment, seeking to drain the life from their jungle. Its metal limbs gleamed unnaturally among the leaves, and its cold sensors scanned the forest. Levi and Joya stepped forward, holding hands. Their magic surged through them, awakening the ancient powers of their ancestors. Levi summoned vines that coiled and struck at the machine, while Joya called upon the wind to swirl around them, creating a shield of swirling leaves and gusts. The machine's sensors faltered against their natural magic. With a final burst of energy, Joya's wind knocked the machine backward, causing sparks to fly. The creature retreated, defeated by the strength of their bond and the power of the jungle. As dawn broke, the grove blossomed anew. The plants shimmered greener than ever, and the animals returned, grateful. Levi and Joya knew that as long as they protected their mystical roots, the magic of the island would forever thrive. And so, hidden among the bushes, they remained the silent guardians, young, magical, and forever connected to the spirit of Jamaica's enchanted wilderness.